I would definitely recommend Davis HVAC to anyone with any HVAC need. Very courteous, a lot of follow-up calls to make sure that everything was up to standard and up to satisfaction, as well as calls on what time they were going to be here. Prompt, courteous service.
So Mr. Spiedel, have you tried other HVAC companies?
Yes, I have. In fact, the company that installed our HVAC, we called them because we were having a problem. The house wouldn't stay cool, and they sent a technician out twice that said they couldn't find the problem. So under recommendation from a friend, we tried Davis HVAC, and more than pleased. Within 20 minutes, he figured out what the problem was and had the parts on order, and we were well on our way to having a cool house. Davis HVAC.